Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys more exciting news on Heartopia. So it is about the new festival, Echo of Ancients. It's gonna arrive at August 29 until October 9. Says across the wilds and beneath the soil, trace the marks of ancient times. I think you'll get some building materials, some furniture, some outfits as well. Of course, you do have to purchase them, I believe. And during the festival, slab mining is available in the Onson Mountain Ruins and Spirit Oak Pine Forest with a chance to obtain fun slab pieces. We also have festival exclusive flowers, birds, fish, insects, and crops waiting for DG members to discover. So yeah, that's what's coming up on August 29. I'm so excited because we just finished the Whale Fall Fashion Wave event. I don't think it is like a Fashion Wave event. Maybe it is actually. I don't know. I would also like to remind you guys to just harvest the fruits that we usually harvest for Fashion Wave events, like raspberries, blueberries, oranges, apples, maybe pineapples, strawberry, and grapes. Just maybe on those three, but definitely on the four main fruits for the recipes later on. I think there will be some recipes. I'll update you guys on like a later video on that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!